So amazingly, it's we're down in the flooding with when they had the other big typhoons. This was a major flooded region that had I forget the feet, but we'll see some of it later. But I'll tell you all about it soon. Let's see the credits.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da boquinha. Chiquinha.
Yeah, so anyways, we're just kind of walking down in this one area that had some really bad flooding last time, so it went up like a story and a half, like 15 feet, I guess. That was in Hato. But this one, I don't see the flooding. So this is the typhoon went through last night. There was flooding here. I saw it in the morning. And yeah, you can see they cleaned theirs out already. There's a little bit, but there's must be some other areas that were. This doesn't look too bad. Actually, it looks pretty clean. Looks like they went through and cleaned everything. Oh, they're mopping stuff. So it's on the next day around 2 p.m. or so. The typhoon was last night, and the worst part was around 5 in the morning, which was about 10 hours ago. And then there was lots of flooding that I saw in videos. But it looks like they've already kind of went through and then it stopped raining for a while. So I don't know, maybe the flooding that was here went down. Not really sure. But anyways, it's not too bad in this area right now. Just lots of rain. We're gonna keep on walking, and then yeah, actually last time I came, it was like after Typhoon Higos, I was walking around this area, and it was crazy. It's just, but this time it's not so bad. A little bit of relief from the rain right here. Yeah, a few years ago, like this was all flooded up until like about 15 feet. I think we can see some signs of it. Sometimes there'll be like a thing that said storm surge up to here in 1997, or sorry, 2017. We'll see if we can see some of those old signs that are up. But anyways, for the most part, it looks all right. It's just quiet. We're gonna keep on walking. Actually, this part of Macau looks okay. Whatever floods came through, it looks like it wasn't, it's not here anymore. And the streets look strangely clean. Last time there was like debris absolutely everywhere. Like basically it went into every single place, and it took them a long time to go through. And yeah, all these storm guards, I'll show you. So these ones last night, they were putting up storm guards, and it was kind of late at night, so I didn't film it. But they would cover that up so that rain couldn't get in, and it must have worked. So yeah, it looked like that. So yeah, I guess it's much better this year. Yeah, check the rain guards work. We're gonna go into some other areas because this was one area that I remember being at a few years ago that was like, it's unbelievable. There was like such a strong stench of like rotting everything, but I think this year the people are really prepared because I saw these storm guards like this one right here. They were all going up last night, and then now they're already, it's like they swept everything clean, and they have them up or out or off or whatever you call it. That one too over there. Yeah, fine. So they're basically open for business again. Yeah, not too bad. Actually, this area is just, I think, more flooding than you'd see from wind damage because it's pretty low. And then other areas would be more. I wonder how these ones. I wonder if they brought them in and took them back out. Huh. Let's just kind of take a look real quick. Things look relatively all right in this area. Just a little bit of tiny flooding left. I think there was a lot more earlier. Yeah, a few years ago this whole area was just it would have just been pretty unbelievable actually. Like just piles and piles of rubbish, and you had the Chinese military came in from China the first time in I don't know, half a century or something, some crazy or more. And they there was such a big cleanup effort. Pretty much everything was damaged. They didn't expect it. This is Hado 3 years ago, and then 2 years ago they had a really bad one as well, but they were all prepared. And then this one looks like they're all prepared too. So yeah, they moved everything up, and it's kind of like that. So they probably already moved their guards, their flood guards down. This one looks like some damage got in there. Anyways, overall not too bad. Okay. So this is the one from before. So 1.5, 2.5. So that black one way up there is where it went up to in Hado, which is way over my head. I'm right about here. Yeah, so now they have all these things here just to kind of let people know how bad storm surge can be. These kind of go into detail. So that's just 1 meter, the yellow one. This is 1.5. So at the beginning they said it was going to be 1 to 1.5. And then later last night it said 2.5, which is up there. And then, that's the highest one, I guess, which is, or not the highest, but how bad it got in Hado, I guess. So, okay, so maybe last night it was somewhere in the red somewhere. Maybe not in this space, but in other spaces. But in general, not too bad. I'm gonna close it right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button.